Provide lunch in the classroom safely and efficiently. Deliver lunch on individual compartment trays and cover food with snap-on lids to maintain a sanitary process. Use Cambro's multi-purpose cam shelving ultimate sheet pan rack to safely deliver meals to the classroom. Ensure sanitation during transport with the vinyl cover. The cam shelving ultimate sheet pan rack is lightweight and easy to navigate on different surfaces, moving quietly in the hallways and through doorways. Ensure food safety, reduce handling and service time when providing meals in the classroom with Cambro's safe and hygienic solutions.